truck driver and 22 stairs and shit. And all I got left is these small ice pick grinds, and I can't even keep up with you kids anymore. You're like Garrett Reynolds. It's even worse that he's like he's like the best bike rider now, but it's even worse that he's like the nicest kid. I mean, at least he could be a dick. God, like, come on, Garrett. There's got to be something bad about you. I know you're laughing at me right now, Garrett. Little teeny ice grinds and things, but I wasn't born in 2001. I mean,
where were you born?
1982. 1 year after Mount St. Helens blew up. Oh, hey, man. Hey, it's my team manager. Perfect timing. What up?